Hello and welcome to this guided meditation. Take a moment to find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a relaxed position, either cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Rest your hands on your lap or knees, your spine upright, and gently close your eyes. Let's begin by focusing on your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel the tension leaving your body as you breathe out. Let's do this again. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Now let your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Simply observe the sensation of air flowing in and out. Feel your body soften with each breath, releasing any stress or tension. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment. Imagine them as clouds drifting across the sky. Let them pass and gently bring your focus back to your breath. If it helps, you can count your breaths. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly for 6 seconds. We do this up to 10. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just return to the rhythm of your breath. Let's begin. Inhale for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now bring your awareness back to your body. Starting from the top of your head, slowly scan down, relaxing any tension you may feel, releasing any tightness in your forehead, in your eyes, your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your chest, your abdomen, your upper leg, your lower leg, your feet. Let each breath soften your body even more. Now visualize a serene place. With every inhale, breathe in this serenity. With every exhale, release any stress. Repeat a calming word in your mind, such as peace, 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 peace. Stay in this state for 5 minutes, resting in this peaceful state. There is nothing you need to do. Just be present and breathe normally. Gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel before continuing with your day. Thank you for joining this meditation. Wishing you peace and tranquility.